Okay. And then, I have let's see, Jeremiah Cummings. And that's the one that you wanted us to revisit probable cause on. It's the deadly conduct where he pulled out a weapon. He didn't, brandish it. I mean, he didn't point it at the complaining witness. I think the chief is gonna look something up. But I can come back on that, I guess. Okay.
Is that it?
Those are the only three I have. All right. So, yes. And then I'm gonna go check on her. I'll be back.
Back again, Judge.
Okay. Guess who's back? Back again.
I missed some saying already.
Guess who's back?
He's done, right? Yeah.
We're approaching on Mr. Jeremiah Cummings. That's the one about the deadly conduct.
I don't remember. I mean, I don't remember what happened for breakfast, so you're gonna have to refresh my memory. What happened?
Yes, sir. I'll just read the summary. On April 11, 2025, Harris County, Texas, an officer was dispatched to a family disturbance call and met with the complaining witness. The complaining witness said that an argument occurred between her and the defendant, and that the defendant grabbed his handgun and held it in his hand as his anger intensified. The complaining witness left the apartment due to fear, returned to the apartment and contacted the sheriff's office to report the incident. When the officer approached the defendant, he stated, "I'm not talking, I'll answer questions." Gathered his things and grabbed a handgun and placed it in his thing. The officer then drew a weapon and said, shoot me, then. The deadly conduct, Your Honor, is alleged based on the fact that the defendant was holding the gun during the argument with the complaining witness.
Does that mean that if anyone ever gets into an argument and has a gun in their hand, that they're literally, I mean, theoretically guilty of a deadly conduct just by virtue of, and then what kind of argument can it be? What level of discourse must there be for someone to be,
Right, and.
Can't be the law.
Let's talk about this one where it's not a terrorist figure or an hacksaw, nothing was really said, it was like, the point is, we have also spoken.
So, I mean, think about this. Like, let's say you and I are arguing, right? And I'm mad at you and I just, I get the gun just to put it somewhere else,
Right. I get it. And I mean, wasn't charged an ag.
I get it,
But we have spoken to the complainant. I think I remember last time with this case, you wanted to hear from the complainant. Just before you made PC.
you have anything else?
She's not, from what we can see, she's not. She wants to be around him. She said he had a gun.
Is he here?
No,
He's not here.
waived his appearance.
Right. I remember. Yeah. All right. I'm going to find no problem.
Right.